Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. To make our pie filling, first we're going to add our 2 eggs to our bowl. Next, I have one 15-ounce can of pumpkin pureed. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the bowl as well. You can also easily make your own pumpkin puree if you'd like, but canned pumpkin works really well too. I'm going to kind of stir those two together. Just kind of get that going. Next, I'm going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and pour that in. And I'm going to do a half a cup of whole milk. From here, I'm going to go ahead and whisk all the ingredients together. You want to make sure that your consistency is nice and smooth, and that'll make for a nice creamy pumpkin pie.